this is going to be our first train in Thailand. Hello, I'm Reanne and this is my husband Ben. Thailand!
Hi, we're on tour with Dridgers. Welcome back to our Thailand series. We're going to be spending the next month here.
We are currently in Hat Yai, one of the largest cities south of Thailand. We've been here for like the last 4 days and now we're moving on. We left our accommodation about 12 o'clock today, so today we've just been jumping from calf to kill the time until we got the train to our next city. Whoop whoop. And the time has come to make it to the train station. So this is going to be our first train in Thailand. Come along with us. Train. No train. Train. In there. Don't know. Where?
You go where?
We go where?
Surat Thani.
Surat Thani.
Yeah.
I want ticket. You have ticket. You have ticket.
Yeah.
You have ticket.
Yeah.
เดินทางเข้าสู่สถานี
Thank you.
ปลายทางสถานีการเป็นที่เรียบร้อยแล้วรอใช้การทางหลังได้เลยค่ะ Station passenger is required after all number
Free. You can cut across the train. This is quite mental.
ตอนที่ห้า
I have no idea what's going on. We've literally turned up and been told to get on this train. We have no idea. What seat number is it?
22.
Keep going then. Alright, we're on the train. It was kind of like so quick, wasn't it?
It was manic.
Yeah, we literally come through the train station. You spoke to the security guy. He
And
told
then it
us,
was like, get on now.
yeah,
Like rushing us. And
they
we're
were
early.
like blowing whistles and literally.
We're early.
We were 20 minutes early, but they're like blowing whistles, pointing us to different people, and oh.
They like to get people on the train because it's not going anywhere yet.
No, I know, but there's a lot of food vendors here. I mean, a lot. Like this woman's just come past with some fried chicken. Fried chicken is very big here. It's Thailand, well, Asia way. It is a lot of glass out here, so we're just pretending we're drinking water while we're chatting to you lot on the camera.
Yeah, we are drinking water.
We are.
Also chatting at the same time.
But we've got about 15 minutes before we leave, so we thought we'd sum up Hatyai.
Yeah. See, we didn't explore the whole city, so we can't comment too much further. But I really like it. I really like Thailand in general, but I really like Hat Yai because it's small, but not too small, and it's got everything there. And also, the floating market, unbelievable.
Oh, amazing.
Unbelievable. And the food, oh my god.
It is. But Hatyai is a perfect start-off point if you are coming from Malaysia. So obviously we got the coach from Malaysia into Thailand, and it was like the first city, about an hour from the border, so it worked out perfect. And it is quite like local city, not many tourists there, which is what we liked, and it helped us like really understand Thailand, get the vibe, and learn a bit before we actually go on deeper into like Bangkok or something, when we were gonna have to learn to barter and all that.
Yeah, but I think where it wasn't touristy, it got we adapted to the culture quicker.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, it's
and
good.
learned like a few things using street food. A great city, really good. I'd highly recommend going there. Definitely go to the floating market. Best day ever. We probably didn't do as much as we could have there because I was still quite ill, so we kind of used it to get better.
Yeah,
like,
that was the idea of booking 4 days in Hat Yai,
yeah.
just to get used to it all and sort of relax a bit. But
yeah.
we did film probably a bit more than we thought we would. So.
Well, the food was loads better than we could imagine, so we had to film. But that's our time there to the end. We are now moving on to another part of Thailand. I think this train's roughly about 4 hours, is it? I don't really know much about anything we're doing for the next few days. He's booked it all. We've got quite a jam-packed few days. We've got a lot going on, and we've booked a lot. So Ben booked this train online. You got a website from it, someone you met?
Yeah, no, someone on Instagram gave it to me. Someone that obviously watches the vlogs and the website. You can book trains and buses all over Asia, so it's perfect.
Oh good, we'll put the name in the description. I'll probably put it below. He can't remember the name of it. It's Ben. Yeah, Ben booked this train online. It is reserved seating in 2nd class, and it was about just over 600 baht for both of us, so pretty good. It's a little bit, well, a lot more than Sri Lanka was, but it looks alright. I'm a bit surprised by it. It's quite like, it's not like it's old train, it's like old style kind of vintage, yeah. Like brown wooden doors and shutters and that.
I like it. It's quite glamorous.
Yeah, and it's not too hot in here. We're not moving at the moment, but we've got the fans on the ceiling, and I can imagine once we get going, the windows open. It's kind of amazing. Yeah, it's quite spacious, not too cramped. We haven't had a look at the toilet situation yet, so we're going to have a look in a bit. There's loads of storage for our bags. Yeah, I think
it's
this is
not
going to be
actually that busy either. It's not like in Sri Lanka when everyone was like, every seat was taken.
No, it's quite relaxed. And to be honest, the security guards really helped us out, made sure we got on the right train, made sure none of this going to Colombo instead of Jaffna situation going on here. If you haven't seen that, go back and watch our Sri Lanka series where we get on completely the wrong train in the complete wrong direction, because that's just us. But we're gonna sit here and wait until we get going, and then we'll have a little walk around and show you around.
ชาเย็นกาแฟเย็นไหมคะ
You actually see my legs there, actually quite nice and muscular.
Chicken legs. As you can see, it's not too busy, loads of room. We have, look, this is how much room there is. We can still put our backpacks in between us. Golden rule, you don't put your backpack on the floor because that's how your laptop and drone gets stolen.
And what I will say is, even if this gentleman in front leans his chair back, not a problem. There's loads of room.
Go and see the toilets over there. I'm not sure, should we go and have a look?
I think they're congregating by the toilets, so I don't know what's going on.
Yeah.
They're smoking.
On here, we've got like a metal sink, toilet water. Woo! There's no soap though. sure on first class whether it's cabins or what. We'll have to try that out next time. Okay, time's come. The train snakes are out. Ben's going to start off with trying some seaweed. Is it? It's actually really nice. Kind of like a thin, really thin crisp. Got a hint of like spice to it and a bit of salt. Alright, time to get off. Go, go, go! Well, suddenly we're at our stop. We do this every time. I suddenly looked at the map and I was like, Ben, I think this is our stop. And literally we had like 2 seconds.
The thing is, the map always has us on because it says it's like 25 minutes away.
Yeah, because it's not going straight into town, it's going on the outskirts. You think you'd know this, wouldn't you? He's in charge of the trains and the routes. You should have been paying attention.
Follow the train.
So he's just going to order us a grab to our accommodation. We're not really sure how far away we are. We think we're about half an hour away.
20 minutes.
20 minutes, half an hour. But that train ride went quite quick, to be honest. It was quite smooth. It's quite a nice train ride, actually.
Relaxing, wasn't it?
Yeah, I could have gone to sleep, but there's no point because it's like you're coming off at 11 o'clock. But I definitely could do a sleeper train easily. So maybe we might have to look into doing a sleeper train, I think.
Near the
What's the address, Ben?
Yeah, I'll do the map
On the top.
you say again you
Horizon, huh?
There, Ben.
you are pier
Be the pier.
near the ท่าเรือโอเคอย่าเพิ่งไปคนละร้อยไม่มันคนละชุดกันอย่ามั่วแล้วเดี๋ยวมันคนละชุดกันอย่ามันจะเอารวมกันไม่ได้ฉันเอาแค่ชุดก็ได้ไอ้นี่ for you
300?
for two people
Nah.
ก็100 บาทอีกก็
500, 100 bucks per person. Right? 200. Yeah, so you
Yeah.
do the big 200.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Right, ready?
Yeah.
You okay? Okay.
Yeah. That's fair enough.
มันคนละ100 500จะเอาไปสร้างก็มา200
Look up.
Two.
you
Hey, mà chạy đi.
you pay now
The what?
No, we've only got 1,000.
We've only got 1,000. And you ran off of it.
What is going on?
Oh my god.
Okay. I'll give you 500. And can you give me 200 change?
Horizon Hotel.
Horizontal.
Horizontal, yeah.
Horizon lah.
Horizontal
Yeah.
hotel, yeah.
Thank you.
What's that on luxury?
It's actually.
This way is
It's across the water.
over the bridge.
Over bridge.
Bridge. Here. See? There's a bridge. You're here.
It's got no. You've got to go back that way and cross the bridge. Looks like it's still open. Thank God.
I think I've just seen a message from them.
Oh, have you?
Probably waiting up.
Thank you.
Good luck, good luck.
Thank you.
Get the bag, yeah?
Yeah, you get them. Thank you. Thank you. God.
That was hard work.
That was the most painful taxi ride ever. Right, let's check in.
They had a
Looks like-
sat nav on, I just wouldn't listen to it.
I don't know what was going on. Oh, here we go.
Hello. We have booking.com.
Same bridge?
Yeah.
Yep, that's it.
Yeah.
5-star hotel, isn't it?
I think for us,
We wish. Yeah,
Plus-
I think this is quite
this is
classy
the
for us.
equivalent of the 5-star hotel for the Entourage, which is
Sorry, it's like midnight, we're a bit delusional.
You've got a balcony, huh?
You want with both them bags?
Yeah.
I think that's a hot water machine there, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Tea coffee.
Might even get hot water.
Got tea coffee.
Then. Me. What are we through? 303. There's us. 303. Wow, this is big. Wow.
Oh look, we've got our own Wi-Fi router.
Yeah, this is quite big. Look how big it is. We've got aircon, we've got a makeup desk, mirror, TV, water, glasses, toilet roll, shampoo. You have no idea how much little things like this mean to us. Towels, 2 towels. Oh, 1 pillow each, they let us down.
We're here for 3 nights. You don't know how much of a luxury that is, because to be in one place for 3 nights, it's not like us. Actually, saying that, we was in the last place for 3 nights.
Yeah, but that was to get better, wasn't it?
That's to get better. Yeah, it's good. With this.
But yeah, this is good. This is big. What is this door? Don't hurt your fingers then. Oh.
Oh, it's a balcony.
You got a balcony? Oh, what? Got a little balcony. You can't see it. Is this a light for it? Oh.
Yeah. There's a lake.
Oh, wow. Alright, we'll show you it properly tomorrow, but we've got a balcony. And then bathroom. And a bathroom, like a wet room that you always get. So it's very clean as well though. Shower. Oh, 2 showers. You've got your bomb wash. Love it. Oh, I'm really happy with this place. Well done, Ben.
You're welcome.
It's very nice. Alright, that's it for us today.
Tomorrow we will show you around Surat Thani. Yeah. And
But otherwise, this is the end of today. So we'll see you later.
subscribe.
Ben, put the key in, please.
Sunflower